probably about, I think about 191 foot. Get out here a little further over the ocean so I can check out the beach. People fishing today, it's spring break. A lot of people down, especially at Myrtle Beach. I'm booking along about 62. I got a little notch of flaps in, kind of slowed me down. There's something big floating in the water out there. I don't know what that is. I'll check it out when I come back by. I'd like to land right there and get on the beach, so I don't want to get in trouble though. Visibility probably ain't, maybe 5 miles. I'm gonna check out what's floating up here in a minute. Alright, it'll be too foggy on the river to go today. It's like 65 degrees right now. It's supposed to be like 80 today, I think. Big old bait ball. A bait ball is a big old bunch of like bait fish. A lot of times there'll be sharks feeding on everything, feeding on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that like button. There's that something floating. Big old palm tree or something. Might go through. I'm at 343 feet right now, but clouds right there. I'm gonna try to go through them. I can see them and everything. Get out of this fog here. Or clouds or whatever. Go back down the beach. Low visibility up here. I think the visibility is getting worse. That's a little bit clear down here. I still got probably 3 to 5 miles. Oh, Dolphin, man, that's cool. Like 3 of them, like right beside each other, man. They're real close. That's pretty cool. I'll come back by and see them on my way back. Oh, man, more dolphins. Awesome, man. Man, the visibility is getting low right at the jetty. Wow. I better go ahead and land. gonna drop down. Yeah, I can't see nothing. I'm gonna cut across here. Woo, it's coming in on me bad right here. Ah, this is crazy. Wow, I'm all up in the clouds. I can still see pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this puppy on the water, dude. Yeah, that fog came in on me quick, man. Blowing right off. I mean, it wasn't no problem at all. But, yes, sir. She was getting very, very hard to see there. Just that last little bit came in on me right when I landed. Pretty cool, though. Dang. That was crazy. It's bad right now. I just got down in time. I mean, I could have, you know, turned around and landed down at Polly's or anywhere, waited it out. Yeehaw!